You're watching the Gabe and Garrett Show. Thank you.
We got another police motorcycle for our Sidewalk Cops episode. This is perfect for me because it's ages 5 to 9. I'm riding it right now.
Okay, this time we got the police motorcycle versus the police car. Who's gonna win this one?
Me!
All right, let's do it. Okay, you guys ready? Raise your hands. On your mark. Get set. Go! And the car is faster than the motorcycle. Okay, congratulations, Officer Gabe. Good job. How did you win? What did you do? What was your strategy?
I don't have a strategy.
All right, that's good enough. Good job. Okay, this time we're going to mix it up. We got Officer Gabe on the police motorcycle and Officer Garrett in the police car. We just want to make sure that the weight of the officer wasn't a factor in who won. And plus there's a little bit of an inside bend on this side, so we switched the vehicles around too to take advantage of that. All right, who's going to win this one?
Me!
All right, let's do this. All right, on your mark. Get set, go! Alright, the police car, no doubt, is faster than the motorcycle. We got that.
This is the police Police Motorcycle we use for Sidewalk Cops. This is the on and off switch. That's on, that's off. There's 3 different siren sounds. This is high and low gear. This is forward and reverse. Slow forward is 2.5 miles an hour. Fast forward is 5 miles an hour. This is the throttle to go. There's 2 side view mirrors and they adjust. The storage hatch opens right here. When you turn on the motorcycle, the lights flash. The battery is located under the seat, but you have to unscrew it to get to it. We get a lot of bad drivers off the sidewalk with this thing.